ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕਾ ਖਾਲਸਾ ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕੀ ਫਤਿਹ ਪਿਆਰੀ ਸਾਧ ਸੰਗਤ ਜੀਓ Our topic of discussion today is Kathni and Karni about talking and walking the Guru's word. Kathni means what we say, our words, our talk, our speech, and Karni means our actions, our practical life. As Guru Sikhs, it is important for both our Kathni and Karni to be one, both reflecting the Guru's word. In Sikhi, Karni is given a higher place than Kathni, although Kathni, meaning the ability to speak, is a gift from God. But the speech which is not followed by action is worthless. Now imagine a tree having lots of flowers with lovely smell, but has no fruits, or the fruit is tasteless. Just like that, Kathni without equal Karni is tasteless. For a lot of us, our Kathni is not reflected in our Karni. Even in Pracharaks like me, we sit on stage and say a lot of things, but we do not practice them in our lives. Our Kathni is different from our Karni. We see this every day. Someone like me goes to Sath Sangat and listens to Pracharaks and then decides, I too want to become a Pracharak. I want to reform the world. He reads a few books, memorizes a few lectures, but has no Jivan, no Amritvela, no Bani whatsoever. All he speaks is for others. He does not walk his talk. He wants to reform the world, but not himself. Now Bhagat Kabir Ji says, some try to bring the sky down with their Kathni, their talk. He says, har jas sunai na har gun gaave, batan hi asman girave. He says these people do not listen to the praises of God or do not sing the praises of God, but they try to bring down the sky with mere talk, meaning pretending to know it all. Kabir Ji says, what can you say about such people? He says, the best thing you can do is stay away from them. Stay away from such people. Even God has excluded them. He says, ऐसे लोगन से वो क्या कहिए जो प्रभ किए भगत ते बाहज तिन ते सदा डेराने रहिए. Kabir Ji says, stay away from them. He says, let them talk, but you stay away. We get to see this a lot these days. The anti-Gurmat movement, they call themselves enlightened or the learned group. They have no prayer in their lives, no Simran in their lives, no Amrit Vela in their lives. All they have is talk, 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 and their distorted definition of Gurmat. The way they live is a clear indication of how much of Gurmat they have in their lives. Take a Kabir Ji's advice. Let them talk, but you stay away. When the wind of truth blows, they will be exposed. Now let's move on. Bhai Gurdas Ji says, words will not make you, words alone will not make you a Guru Sikh. Your actions will. Just by giving holy sermons and discourse without holy action, meaning without prayer and bandagi and Amrit Vela, it will take you nowhere. He says one cannot acquire the Parampad. One will not be able to have Prakash of the Almighty in his Dasam Dwar. One will not be able to have the divine light enshrined in him just by mere talk. Bhai Gurdas Ji says, in this is Vara, he uses sugar and fire in his first example. He says, Khand khand kahe jeba na swad mitho aave, agan agan kahe seet na binas hai. Bhai Sahib says, by repeatedly saying sugar, 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 one will not be able to experience the taste of sugar on his tongue. To taste sugar, one has to eat sugar. Agan agan kahe seet na binas hai. By repeatedly saying fire, 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 one will not stop feeling cold. He has to light fire to feel warm. Now in the next example, Bhai Sahib uses a doctor and wealth. He says, Baid baid kahe, rog mitat na kahu ko, dharb dharb kahe ko, dharbhai na bilas hai. He says, just by repeating doctor, 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 one will not be cured of his ailments. Dharb dharb kahe, ko dharbhai na bilas hai. Nor can he enjoy the luxuries that money buys just by saying money, money, money. He will need money to buy the luxuries. Bhai Sahib uses sandalwood and moon. And the moon in his next example, he says, Chandan chandan kahet pragata na subhas bas, chandra chandra kahe ujyaro na pragas hai. Just by saying sandalwood, 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 the fragrance of sandalwood will not spread around you. Chandra chandra kahe ujyaro na pragas hai, nor can the radiance of the moonlight be experienced by merely repeating moon, 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 unless there is a moon. Finally, Bhai Sahib says, Taise gyan goshti kehat nah reht pawe, karni pradhan paan udat akas hai. Paan means suraj, means light, means Jyoti Swarup Vaheguru. Udat means prakash. Akash means gagan. Gagan here means dasam dwar. Bhai Sahib says, Taise gyan goshti kehat nah reht pawe, karni pradhan paan udat akas hai. He says just like that, by giving holy sermons and discourse without holy actions, he says karni. He says, Taise gyan goshti kehat reht na pawe. Just by giving holy sermons and discourse, meaning without prayer, without bandagi, one cannot acquire the Parampad. One will not be able to have prakash of the Almighty in his dasam dwar. One will not be able to have the divine light enshrined in him. Bhai Sahib reminds us, just talking will get us nowhere. It is our amali jivan, meaning our life, our practical life, our karni, our actions that will decide our spiritual attainment. Now let's move further. Lots of us talk and talk and talk and talk and talk and claim to have goodness in our hearts. We talk and talk about how good we are. Guru says, if man claims to have God and goodness in his heart, then his life should be a reflection of his words, meaning his actions and his karni should reflect it. In Sukhmani Sahib, Guru Sahib says, Jaan ke hirday eko hoye, sach karni, सच तां की रहत, सच हृदय सत मुख कहत, जाके हृदय एक होए. He says, he alone has God in his heart, who sach karni sach तां की रहत, he who has truth in his word and truth in his action. Sach hृदय sat mukh कहत. Truth is what he speaks and truth is in his talk. In Gurmat, Kathni must be equal to Karni. It is important to make Kathni and Karni one. We have to ensure that our Kathni bears fruit of Karni, meaning our words must be seen in our actions. Now let me tell you a short, very interesting and rather funny story. There was a singer who came to a village. He had a program and he was looking for a tabla player. Now in his search, he met a farmer. He told the farmer that, hey farmer, I am a singer and I'm looking for a tabla player to accompany me in a program. The farmer got very excited and he started talking to the singer. The farmer said, yes indeed, it is very difficult to find a good tabla player. He said if one practices tabla for hours and hours and hours and yet if he is not able to play in lay, meaning if he is not able to hold the rhythm, he will not make a good tabla player. He continued by saying he will not be able to do good sangat, meaning he will not be able to accompany the singer well. He said he must be able to produce beautiful sound with his hands that will complement the song well. He went on further by saying that if a tabla player does not know how to put atta on a tama, in olden days the left hand side of the tabla used to be made of wood, and they used to use atta on the puda. He says, if a tabla player does not know how to put atta on the tama, he will never make a good tabla player, as the sound the tabla produces depends on how well he puts the atta. Now, listening to the farmer speak, the singer was very impressed and took him along to the program. Both of them went on stage. The singer started singing and singing and singing and waited for the tabla player to start playing tabla. The farmer sat there quietly, and finally the singer said, Ustad ji, tabla bajao, meaning tabla master, play the tabla. The farmer looked at the singer and said, I'm a farmer. I don't play tabla. I never told you I can play the tabla. I only spoke to you about tabla. He said, I met some musicians once and overheard them talking about music and tabla. I remembered all those things and I just repeated them to you. Pyari Sat Sangat Jiyo, just like that, lots of us talk and behave as religious people, but our actions do not reflect Gurmat. We know nothing about Gurmat. Our life does not reflect Gurmat living. Like the tabla player, we sometimes meet people who talk about religion, spirituality and Brahm Gyan having no personal experience. They just repeat things they have heard from others, pretending that it is their experience. Let's conclude. Bhagat Kabir ji says, Kathni ke parm na jai, sab kath rahi lukai. He says, everyone is preaching, meaning talking about spirituality. But he says, just by talking, no one can dispel the illusion of Maya. His words must be followed by actions. Actions of Naam Japana, Bandgi, Amrit Vela, total faith in Sri Guru Granth Sahib Ji. Pyari Sat Sangat Ji, we can deceive others with big talk, but at the end of the day, it is our karni, our actions that will decide if we are accepted in the house of God. Let's pray and seek mercy and guidance from Guru Sahib so our kathni and karni can become one. That we can walk our talk. To all my pracharak brothers and sisters, we as pracharaks have to get our acts together. Let's talk and walk the Guru's word. I repeat, let's talk and walk the Guru's word. Sadgur Kirpa Karn, Pol Chuk di Maafi, Vaheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Vaheguru Ji Ki Fateh.